Ever spent hours combing through meeting transcripts, praying you don't miss that one critical decision buried in 3 hours of debate? Manual summarization isn't just tedious, it's a recipe for errors and missed context. Our Building AI meeting summarizer changes the game. It leverages transformer based NLP models to auto extract action items, map speaker intent, and link key points to exact timestamps. Whether you're processing Zoom calls, Teams recordings, or Slack huddles, it supports 15 plus languages, dynamic template customization for stand ups or retrospectives, and even live summarization for real time note taking. Say goodbye to the "did we even discuss that?" chaos. ML engineers, data scientists, AI researchers, this is your new superpower. Trust me, your calendar just got a promotion. Here's what's inside the Building AI Meeting Summarizer skill. It auto-generates structured summaries with decision matrices, action item owners, and context tags. You'll get multi-language ASR integration for audio-video transcripts, customizable prompt engineering templates for different meeting types, and interactive key point extraction with direct timestamp linking to source audio. Ever wanted to query a transcript like a database? Our semantic search API lets you ask, "What were the Q3 OKR updates?" and get precise answers. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool, it's your meeting's new Copilot. Installing the Building AI Meeting Summarizer skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-ai-meeting-summarizer. That's it. You'll download the complete skill, including production-grade NLP pipelines, prompt engineering blueprints, and integration guides for Slack, Notion, and Jira. No config hell. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands phrases like "surface the 3 technical risks from yesterday's retro," or "generate a follow-up email for the product team." And yes, it'll even apologize for the meeting that should have been an email.